Hi, Joe Cerrone, Basic AutoCAD. Just a quick uh, video about class policy and procedures. Um, with the closure of the college to students due to the coronavirus pandemic, we've been moving to a online delivery format. And the course is already kind of set up with a lot of videos for tutorials, and we're just trying to update those and keep everyone informed as to how we're going to be working the course. There are a number of videos. So for example, for today's class, there's a video on dimension standards and styles and dimensioning techniques, and there's also a video on how to do a mechanical drawing and dimensioning. I've also added an announcement about the refund policy. Students can switch to pass-fail um, between April 15th and May 13th, or they can withdraw from the course up until April 13th. And so I think these are kind of out of sequence. They should have put this first one. April 13th, Monday, students can choose to withdraw from the course, and you can get a 100% refund. It's just one of those situations. You might say, I could use the money, and you could take the class again if you needed to. We offer this course every semester. With that said, if you decide to stay in the course, you have until pretty much the last day of class if you decide to change it to pass-fail, which if you're in the class and you're doing the work, most of the students should be fine. Typically our statistics students typically get a B, or a lesser percentage will get an A, but typically not lower than that. As we look at the assignment for Module 7 and the directions, we're going to basically look at the outline of topics. And so, you say that again. Basically, I just want to say this is what we're going to be doing with the course. And so we're going to be following the outline of topics, and we are going to be adding some broadcast technologies where we will be able to, our plan is to be able to broadcast the class. Our plan is to be able to continue to follow through the sequence of topics, and so we're a little bit behind. We're introducing these other chapters at this point, 16 through 19. But our plan is then to continue through utility commands, drawing sections, and the chapters that refer to them in the textbook, AutoCAD Comprehensive. And so that's the basic plan. We will start to incorporate some video broadcasting next week, which will allow students to click on a link and attend the class virtually, be able to post questions, show computer screens and things like that. But we just haven't quite got the technology reliable enough to do it for tomorrow's class, and so we're just going to practice it so we can do it right next week. If you have any questions, you can email Mr. Rosen and I, Al Rosen and I, or you can use these message alerts in the D2L system. Thank you. Have a good day.